Located in Argentina, this collective housing project was created with a simple yet ambitious vision to redefine urban living by bringing together home, work, and community within a modest budget. Rather than focusing solely on individual homes, the architects sought to create a place where neighbors could naturally interact, support one another, and reconnect with the slower rhythms of everyday life. The project began with an existing building and a long, narrow garden running along one side of the site. Instead of clearing the landscape, the architect preserved the mature mango, lemon, papaya, and native trees, allowing the garden to become the heart of the development. More than just a green space, it serves as a shared outdoor corridor that encourages daily encounters and strengthens the connection between residents. Inspired by traditional neighborhood life, where people gather outside on warm evenings and know those who live nearby, the project embraces the idea that architecture can encourage both privacy and community. Shared spaces are flexible and designed to evolve over time, accommodating work, social gatherings, family visits, and new activities as residents' needs change. The existing structure was carefully opened up through selective demolition, allowing natural light and fresh air to flow more freely throughout the buildings. The homes are arranged along a linear layout that maintains privacy, while connecting each residence through a sequence of semi-private courtyards and shared outdoor spaces. Perforated brick walls gently filter views between public and private areas, creating a sense of openness without sacrificing intimacy. Lightweight steel structures and translucent roofing panels soften daylight as it enters the interiors, while passive ventilation strategies help keep the spaces naturally comfortable throughout the year. Concentrating the kitchens and bathrooms into compact service cores also allows the living spaces to remain open, flexible, and generous, despite the project's modest size. The material palette reflects a philosophy of simplicity and honesty. Exposed brick, steel, and reclaimed construction materials remain visible, celebrating the process of building rather than concealing it. Even demolition debris was reused to create new brick walls and entrance features, transforming discarded materials into meaningful architectural elements. More than a housing development, this project demonstrates how thoughtful architecture can strengthen communities by combining affordable construction, sustainable design, and shared public spaces. It creates an environment where people do more than simply live side by side. They become part of a neighborhood that grows together over time.